right, everyone. We are coming to you today because Musa is about to do an experiment. And this experiment is a part of his homeschool curriculum. And the experiment, hey, Musa, you gonna say hi to everybody? Okay, all right, Musa doesn't want to say hi, it's cool. Musa is in the 5th grade, and his experiment is how do fish breathe? All right, and so I'm gonna have Musa read all of the different things that he has on the table. Musa, are you ready? He's gonna read the different things he has on the table to show this is a part of the experiment. So Musa,
clear glass box.
Okay, can you say that again, Musa?
Clear glass.
Now, how many?
3 clear glass door.
Excellent. What else? What's next?
Coffee filter.
Louder.
1 tea coffee ground.
What else? What is that picture of?
A spoon.
And what else? And what are these? Do you have these? All right. And
1 sheet tissue.
right, exactly. So we're going to do a quick scan to show you guys that we have everything. And I believe, Musa, you have to go get the spoon off the counter in the kitchen. We have everything that they said you should have. And the spoon. Let's show everybody the spoon. Great. All right. So we're on it. We're rocking and rolling. Now, Musa, what do we know? We know what? All living things breathe what? What does it say? All living things breathe.
Breathe air.
And next?
Fish.
Breathe air underwater.
Fish gills to breathe
Underwater. Excellent, Musa. I'm so proud of you. So next what we're doing is we're going to step 1. We're asking the question, which items make the best fish gills? Well, we have to go through each step so that we make sure that we do the experiment properly. So the first question was, which item makes the best fish gills? So Musa, when you make your guess, your hypothesis, what did you say you believe?
That's stupid.
You think, what did you say? What did you say makes the best fish gills, Musa? Did you say the coffee filter? Or did you say the toilet paper? Which one?
The toilet paper.
You said the toilet paper? I thought earlier you told me.
No.
Right. That's what I remember you said earlier, right? Because we did this experiment earlier. Well, let's begin, Musa. Let's begin. All right. So, first what we're going to do. Oh, now I'm sorry. We're on step 3. I was on the wrong page. Step 3. Place the tissue paper over the top of one jar. Yep. So here you go, Musa. And I'm going to, do you want me to do it or do you want to do it? Okay, sure. Not a problem. Oh, that's great. I love that. We teamwork. We did it together. All right. Excellent. Oh, you're right. You're right. It sure didn't work. Okay. Let's try to do it. Let's try to do it again. We had a little technical difficulty earlier with it as well. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to take
pour the water in there.
Okay. Yep. You sure are. So what we're going to do, can you hold that? All right, cool. Bingo! We got it. Now, what did it say do? So you go ahead. You pour the water in the cup, in the other cup.
All of it?
Sure. Yep. You can do all of it. Not too much. Right, exactly. Then what did it say do next?
Coffee grounds.
You sure can. Let's see, can we do that? We pour some in the other one, right. We'll do that. And let's see. Actually, you know what? All we have to do now is, after we do that, then we do what? Put the coffee grounds. Right, so put the coffee grounds in there. Yep. Love it. All right, then it says what? Stir. Good job, Musa. And then after we stir, what do we do? It smells good, huh? So then after we stirred it, just like it has on the sheet, it says to do what? Now we are on, which step are we on? We are on now, because after we had slowly poured a little bit, now we're here. Now we're slowly pouring a little bit of this mixture on top of here. So go ahead and do that, Musa.
I need to get started.
Need to be stirred up some more? Okay. So pour this on top of the, yep, that's enough. Excellent. All right. It says pour a little bit, right? Now this is the cool part, y'all. It says a little. All right. Wow. Now let's look. Let's look, y'all. Cool. Look at that. Now we see, do we see that the water has soaked through? Wow. Oh, it said a little bit, Moose. Just a little. Just a little. Yeah. Not too much. Not too much. Now, what has happened? The water has went down in the jar along with the coffee grounds, right? All right. Now it says do what? Do the next jar, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to pour some of this water. I'm going to pour that out because now you have to cover this jar. And we're going to do this. And I can do it real quick so we can kind of speed it along because I know it can be get a little lengthy. Thank you, Moose. All right, now it says to do what? Slowly pour a little bit. Stop, Musa. Slowly pour a little bit of the mixture onto. You want me to do it, Musa? All right, I love it. And actually, after each step, he's supposed to be recording the data. So basically, from what we did earlier, you see the difference, right? Now, first earlier, we had already, like I said, we tried it out earlier, and it asked, did the water pass through the tissue paper? Yes, it did. And the coffee grounds? Yes, they did. And then, did the water pass through the coffee filter? Yes. Now, how about the coffee grounds? Did it pass through? Did the coffee grounds stay on top or did they go through?
They
pretty much stayed on top, right? They stayed on top, okay? So, now we're about to go. That was step 4. We recorded the data. We're just going to pass that part. And then we just answered the questions. Did the water pass through? And then he answers the questions. And then we go to the other part. This is finding the conclusion. Now, which item let the water out but kept the coffee grounds in? Musa, which one you said was what? The coffee filter, right? The water dripped down in the jar, but the coffee grounds stayed on top. Why is that, though? And you guessed that, didn't you, Musa? Come over here. Come over here, Musa. Didn't you guess that, Musa? Didn't you guess that in the beginning? Wasn't that your guess? Okay. All right. That was your guess, right? And it says what? Which one? Which item made the best gill? We're going to tell everybody what? The tissue paper keeps both the air and the water.
Hello, guys.
Wait. Let's read that, Musa. The tissue paper keeps both the air and the water in, but does not allow the water out. This would cause the fish to have too much water in its body and drown, right? The coffee filter allows the air to stay inside of the body while letting the water go back out into the ocean. This makes sure the fish doesn't have too much water in his body. So the air bubbles actually were represented by the coffee grounds, all right? So that's showing that the coffee filter was the best one that would be the best gills for the fish. because it kept the air bubbles with the fish, right? So it wasn't like everything had went down, because if it did, then that means the fish would drown. All right, Musa, we're proud of you. And and Musa, he keeps wanting to be posted on YouTube, and that's what we're gonna do. And so we'll talk to you next time when Musa does his experiment. All right, say peace.